Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome. It's Friday, boys. The weekend is upon us, coming up. One more trading session for this week. So let's execute our using discipline. Let's make some money. Let's go into the weekend green so we can all be happy this weekend. What's up, Brett? Good morning, sir. Hopefully all you guys are feeling good today, because I'm honestly ready to execute. We got S&P coming out at 9:45 today, 9:45 today. So we're going to have to see what that does to the market. So be careful, be careful. I know I always say that, but be careful, boys. No reason to rush anything. Let me look at these charts officially now. We got the close from yesterday, 630 above us. The VWAP's up there right below 630, right at 625.75. We also have pivot point at 617.75. We have the overnight low and yesterday's low right below us, 540.50, 537.50 was yesterday's low. And a pivot point all the way down there at 495, well, 496 area. Yeah, 496. Yeah, bro, we got the S&P coming out. The news on them. Let me pull up the exact news so I can tell y'all what it is. Yeah, so the S&P Global Comp, the PMI flash. I'm ready to make some money. I need to make $262 today in one of my funded accounts for a 2K payout. I thought I had it yesterday because I put 877 or 870 something in the account, but my consistency was slightly off. So I had to put 262 in today to get that consistency dialed in to the 35% on my growth account with Tradeify, so I can take a 2K payout. So that's what I'm gonna be working on today. Just waiting for the move. That's it. Waiting for the move. Because I want to take a payout on that account and another account this week. Well, today. So by next Friday, that will give me another 5 days of trading that I could take another payout. And I'm trying to take a payout across all my accounts next Friday. So I got some work to do today. Hopefully the market moves pretty well for us. I could get in, get out, rotate safely. But that's my plan for today. Is everyone feeling good? We got 7 more minutes, boys. 7 more minutes before market open here.
Yes, sir. Mind over matter. Discipline.
Yep. That's all it is. No, Jose, guess who hit me? That's interested in learning the trading.
Who hit you?
Tim.
Really?
Yeah.
Get him in.
Yeah, I told him I'll hit him tomorrow because I've just been crazy busy. So I'm like, yo, I'll get with you over the weekend. So I thought that was funny. Well, look at that.
Yeah, he reaching out to everybody.
Huh?
I say you're reaching to everybody without having to reach out.
Yeah. Brett, we need a Tim in the group. Yeah, he's a real estate guy, so but he wants to learn the trading. And it's so crazy, right? Because everything that I hear from a lot of people, it's all the same. They always say like, yo, I really want to learn how I've always had the desire to learn how to trade. I just never knew anybody or didn't trust anyone to learn from. Like, so I feel like that's a big thing with people. A lot of people do want to trade. They just don't have someone that they actually trust.
Morning, fellas.
Good morning, G.
Yeah, that's a super valid point because so many people on YouTube are scammers, you know, and you go and follow someone and watch their videos and then you find out, you know, months later, like they just fake everything and, you know, it's just not good.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad all you guys, oh, computer, come back on. Don't be doing that. I'm glad you guys are locked in with Legacy and locked in with me. You know, I'm glad you guys trust me to steer this ship of the Legacy Wealth Society here. But
Legacy Wealth Society, baby.
But it's just so intriguing to me because like that was my same story, right? Back in the day, I wanted to learn how to trade. I had a family friend that was trading, crushing rag to riches story, literally. He was driving like a busted Buick, and then he was in like a brand new 740 series BMW back in the day. Buying a house in my parents' old neighborhood, which was a multi-million-dollar neighborhood. From trading, I'm like, yo, can you teach me? He's like, yeah, I got you. I was excited. The very next week, he passed away. So after that, I'm like, well, I don't know anybody that's actually trading. So I kind of just pushed it out the way and just continue with my life. And yeah, I'm glad I definitely finally found trading, everything like that, because this is the best thing we could be doing for ourselves. But I know what we're doing is real and powerful because everyone has the same story. Like they had that desire, but they just never knew where it turned to. And that's why I'm trying to become the largest trader globally, not because of how much money we make, because we're going to print money, but because we'll be the largest community and no name globally because of how many people we actually help. Because that's how I determine our value. How many people are we helping win in the market? Because even if people aren't using my specific strategy, the community is for everybody because it gives traders a place to come to where they can get questions answered or ask questions to fellow traders without there being something like lurking in the shadows in the community. Like, oh, well, if you're going to ask a question, you got to pay $10,000. You know what I'm saying? Like, none of that. Like, that's why I have the base package you could get in for free. Because I truly want to see people winning this. We got less than 3 minutes now. Less than 3 minutes for market open. I'm ready to make some monies. I'm taking Brenda out tonight, so I gotta make some money for our date. Like, if I don't make any money, I gotta tell her the date's off. I'm saying that she's in the house now. She just got home from dropping the kids off to school. But no one's canceling our date. I already paid for it, so. We have news at 9:45. 9:45 news today, so be careful, folks. Don't jump in just to jump in today. We got 9:45 news, so that's perfect for me because I don't take a trade till after 9:45, so I'll be able to wait for the news to settle, then start to execute. I'm hoping today's not a chop day because your boy only needs $262 for one of my accounts for a 2K payout. So let's see if we get it. Let's see if we get it. Let me see the exact number I need on that account as well, just so I know what to target here. Okay. 250994. Got it. All right, 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds for market open here. We are pushing up here slightly. We got the pivot point sitting above us at 617.75. And the VWAP's right above there at 624.50. 624.50. Well, market's open. Market's open. There's that VWAP touch. Like clockwork right there. Come out to the close from yesterday. There's the close from yesterday. Was 630. Well, finally, too. My pivot points are pretty much matching finally on both platforms, so that's good. Yeah, Brett. It's the first minute of the market open. It's going to be volatile, bro. It's always volatile on the first minute of the day. That's why we got to let it settle.
Let it settle.
Yeah, let it settle, G. Let it settle. So we're below the close from yesterday right now. I feel like we're getting ready to go back below possibly the VWAP here in a second. If the bears keep stepping in. Because they're fighting right now. Good morning, Steve.
Hey, how are you? I had to cut down there was a 25-foot tree in my yard, and it was like teetering, so I was out there, but I cut it down, dealt with the wood, and I'm here now. So my day has started.
All right, let's get it done. Let's get it done today.
Count that for the fitness thing, Jeff.
Got you.
I'm not soft. I don't hire you. I did it myself.
Hey. More power to you. More power to you. Steve the Lumberjack.
Hey, I'll do whatever it takes to get things done.
Yep, I feel that one. We got news today, Steve, at 9:45.
Yeah, I did see that. What are we looking like? I'm booting the chart, so let me look at yours. Oh, we got the pivot point there.
Pivots are pretty much matching today as well on both platforms, so.
Good, and that's always a plus. You know, I mean, let's at least aim for that 3 days a week. Could I get an amen?
Amen. Amen to that.
Okay, you said I'm looking at your chart. Let me see. Is a VWAP?
Yeah, we're below the VWAP currently. VWAP's currently sitting at right up around 624.75. So we popped up. We had that big aggressive pop up there at market open here. And as Moose would say, he's not here today. I'll say it for him. But here's a retracement. I'm waiting till 9:45, and the news comes out at 9:45 too, so it works for me.
He's waiting for 9:45 in 3 seconds.
Well, I gotta make $262 in one account, so I'm gonna be very skillful today.
That's it.
Look at that candle. Oof. Look at that 5-minute candle right there. That's a nasty one. That's a nasty wick. That's a nasty wick right there. I feel like we may try going down today, depending upon what the S&P stuff comes out saying. Since we did just fill that gap for the close from yesterday, now I don't hold me to this. Don't hold me to this, but I'm kind of bearish.
Bear with us.
Yeah, bear with us. Once we get above the VWAP, then I'll be slightly bullish. But till then, I'm bearish now. Looking for a bear flag first. If we see a bull flag below the VWAP, will I take it? As long as there's momentum.
But right now we're like between, we're in the middle of everything again. So we got the EMA there,
Yep.
the close, the pivot point, the VWAP.
But I need a nice, easy waterfall a day. That's all I need. A nice, easy waterfall so I can take some payouts today.
That, you know, it's like that one session where you stayed till afternoon and it was like 12:20. It was just like you rode that shit down.
Yep. Well, hopefully it doesn't take that long for it to come down or go up.
I was speaking the structure, not the timeline. And I want you to know I'm still sitting in the cousin's seat at grandma's table. Like, I feel like, yeah, I'm looking at you at eye level, and my keyboard is like up at my chin. This is awesome. It's not that bad, but it's. I feel like
I'll join you, Steve. I'll join you. I'm gonna join you. Be at the. I got you right here. Hold on.
That's my vibe. That's my vibe. Like, you can't read my T-shirt either.
There we go. Is this good, Steve? Like,
yeah, there you go.
Does this work?
You feel me?
This works. Okay, boys. We're looking for a trade. We're looking for a trade, boys.
Hey, it's like everything is looking up today. That's all I know. That's like the time that you're like, can I get a piece of pie? And then your relative's like, no, you're going to wait until everybody eats. I'm like, but I finished.
All right, we're below the 21 EMA right now as well. We got 9 minutes for the news to come out here. So I'm trying to be patient right now. Good morning, Iz. Good morning, sir. There's the pivot touch right there. There's the VWAP tab. Patiently waiting. Tonight, I'm taking Brenda to go to this abstract art place where we're going to be able to like do some like liquid painting.
Is it something called, and I'm gonna get this wrong, but they were talking about it's like a interactive art, and it's like I want to say Lala or so, I don't know.
No, it's literally called Abstract Orlando.
Okay, then it's definitely not the same. Because like one of my sons took his girlfriend to that. It was like an interactive thing, and he said it was cool. So
okay.
So
yeah, no, I'm going to this place because there was a place similar down in Miami that I saw a long time ago. Because you can like paint like different things. Like you pick what you want to paint. So I'm gonna be painting a big bear that like I'll put in the corner over there. And I'll probably paint it like black and gold for legacy.
Legacy.
Brett, I don't believe so. Because with Take Profit, they don't have really any rules. Except you can't trade the news.
Hey, on that, do they just lock out your trade if it's news? You just can't.
Well, those profits won't count towards the payout.
Oh, okay.
That's normally what they do. So, like, say you traded the news and made like, and you went in right when the news dropped, then they won't pay you on whatever you made for that trade.
Gotcha.
But if you take a trade like a minute before the news and then the news drops, you're good.
So if you're just gonna like YOLO into it or FOMO into it and just say let's go, and then you win, or you could lose.
Yeah, but you have to do it before the news comes out, so you gotta jump in like a minute before or so. So that way you did not trade the news. The news just happened when you were in a trade.
Yeah. Clever.
Brett, no, you be good.
Good morning, guys.
What's up, Mitch?
Morning, Mitch.
Morning, guys. How you doing, Steve?
All right, I hope everything's going good for you.
Yeah, we got everything situated for the most part yesterday, so that was good. He did pass
Well, the
out
thing
my
is-
hand and my arms, though, so that was kind of wild, but he did do better by the end of the day.
Well, listen, you by the virtue you being there and having those meetings, that's huge. I worked in 4 levels of senior care, and your advocacy is more than you could ever imagine. Just put it that way.
Well, I appreciate that, bro. Thank you.
No, I'm telling you straight with that, because it's like, you know, they're gonna be paying extra attention. That all that is good for you and your family.
Well, here goes a bear flag. Trying to on the 2-minute here.
Yeah, what's going on this morning? This thing's been up, down, up, down. It's just wild.
We got news in 5 minutes here. News at 9:45 today. S&P Global Comp. So we're gonna see what we get from that news.
All right. That last 5-minute candle is kind of. Oh wait, I'm looking at the 30. I'm sorry. There we go. That's better.
What's up, John? Good morning. I'm glad you feel like I'm one of the coolest persons on this earth, man. I feel special now.
I remember when you said that about me, but it was like last century.
Last century. You are a cool person, Steve.
I just hope that I just don't blend into the background. That's all. I know that I'm kind of quiet, and so people forget about me. So.
I don't think you blend into the background, sir. Whatsoever. Oh, news coming out in 3 minutes, give or take 3 more minutes, a little bit over 3 minutes here. And we're ready for it. Want that news to come out to move the market in either direction. I don't care what direction it goes in. I just want to get out of this little area that we've been playing in this morning.
If you want to stop by East, but that thing is the bag is like £1. Or if you want to go
Let's see. Come on, Betsy. Come on, Betsy. Michael. No buys or sells right now. We got news coming out at 9:45. News at 9:45. So I'm gonna wait till after the news to start fully looking for a trade here. I need $262 in one of my funded accounts for a 2K payout. So that we're gonna be working on that one today. Then if I could put some more money in some of my other funds, I may take an extra payout today on another account. So let's see what we get, but we need the market to move. We got 2 minutes now, 2 minutes for news to come out. Tons of selling pressure, lots of selling pressure right now. So just be careful, people. Go with the flow, not against the flow. Because when you go against it, you'll get chopped up. Just saying.
Yeah, I've been kind of doing my interpretation of Cam and trading overnight.
Yeah.
And it's been pretty cool.
Okay. That's awesome.
Just to get like a little cash every morning. You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, if it's working for you, stay at it. Because trading's personal, people. You gotta see what times works best for you.
Well, no, everything's like, see, it's like it's another tool in the box. So it's like if I can go in and just keep kicking that out, and it's bringing in like $3,000 a month just passively, I'm not gonna leave that on the table. And
Yeah,
then,
definitely not.
if I have a couple of accounts and I have the stop losses working against each other, I'm covering all my bases. So it's just I'm always making a profit, and I get that both ways.
Yep.
It's just something I'm having fun with.
Keep having
I'm
fun,
with you,
sir, if
Steve,
it's working.
I'm with you, Steve, on that because the last night I was up on the London session.
Yeah.
And,
Here comes the news. Here comes the news.
Here we go. Woo-hoo.
Okay. We didn't go anywhere. We did like a chop on the Renko bars.
It's like when your old school stereo, it just like did a drum hit, like boom.
Alrighty, well,
Dropped.
that was very uneventful there. The buildup was there, but no, nothing.
So where's the moose?
You said where's the moose?
Yeah.
He may not be getting on today, I don't think. He may be working. All right, we're sitting right here at the close from yesterday, around the 630 level was the close from yesterday. So now, just waiting for some momentum.
And then Big G must be in a trade because I haven't heard him even speak. He's just going to be like 7,000.
He's like,
it just comes out of like it's just a random number, but a big number always.
We're above the VWAP. We are above the VWAP here. I just don't like these wicks up here.
Can you give me the open range real quick, please?
Yep, the high of that range is 652.50, 652.50. The low of the range is down there at 662.75. Not 562.75.
Okay, yeah. I saw that. Thank you.
Yes, sir. I'm not a big fan of these wicks where we're currently sitting at.
Like some decent soul music, like.
Trying to stay calm and steady today. Trying to stay calm and steady today.
I applaud you on your music choices because there's other ways that we could go, but it'd be causing like anxiety. Like I gotta make a trade. I'm feeling bad. So it's like this just kind of puts something in the background, to what it needs to be.
All right, we got momentum to the downside here, somewhat. I would like to see some type of a flag. We're below that 21 EMA as well. All right, so got a green candle right here. Let's see if we start building a flag. Give us a flag, Betsy. Give us a flag, market. Try to make some smoney's a day. Oh, this is not plugged in. Thank God I just realized that. Or else this stream would be crashing.
Uh-oh.
Not trying to have what happened the other time when Brenda said.
It was like a nice picture of your chin and your shirt.
Oh, I didn't even know that happened. Well, hopefully our streams are still going.
You were saying what happened with Brenda, and all of a sudden, as soon as you plugged it in, it went. Boom.
Well, I'm back, boys. I'm back. Don't y'all worry. I'm still here. We gotta make some smoney's. Just waiting to see if we get a flag here. With some momentum. With some momentum. There's the yellow line tap. I need some follow through. We did not get the follow through right there. We're below the middle of the 15-minute range as well. I don't want to get too much closer to it. We're hanging out right on this 21 EMA right now, so
Just chilling.
Well, my trading view kicked me off my TradeVate login. Now it won't let me log back in. So I don't know if that's an issue with TradeVate and TradeView, if that's a take profit thing, what's going on.
I would log into your TradeVate just to make sure that they don't have any documents or anything you need to sign.
Okay.
Because sometimes with TradeVate, like there may be like they may have updated something, so you just want to just double check that if it kicked you off. We're creeping up to the middle of this 15-minute range here, so the closer we get to it, the more hands off I'll be. What makes you so calm and focused? Not want to lose money. That's what keeps me calm and collected, because I don't want to lose money. All right, there's the pivot. There's the VWAP. Alrighty, well, not looking for a bear flag anymore, I'll tell you that.
You don't gotta worry about the middle. You are not diddling there right now, anyway.
I just don't trust these pop-ups because every time we get up here, like we sell back down.
Well, look at those 5-minute wicks. That's all you need to stay. It's as I mentioned it's
For me to want to go long, I would need us to get above 639.75. 639.75 for me.
Yeah, because I'm looking at 614.75. That's where those two previous candles just chopped off, and this one just played with it. So there's like that getting swept right there. There is some. Boy, you're doing some interesting colors with us.
Wasn't trying to.
I was like, look, he's like, I can make this any color of the rainbow.
I have no clue what I just tapped to do that either. That's the crazy part.
The thing is, I've never seen that exact menu, so who knows? You know?
We maybe get a bull flag. Looks like a bull flag on the 1 minute.
2 minute too.
I won't be hands off, man. Them 5-minute wicks are too much for me.
No, I feel that.
It's more wick than candle, man.
I need to get above 639.75 for me to want to take a long.
I like that. You know what I'm gonna do to show like that I'm trying to follow along? I'm gonna throw a line right there as a reference, so it's like I don't get overly excited and jump in.
All right. Well, we're consolidating right now. We are consolidating on the Renko bars.
And we got about 6 minutes until the 10 o'clock hour, so something else to keep in mind.
I hope today we just don't go sideways. I'm hoping we don't go sideways today. Let me look at some higher time frames just to see what we're looking like. Yeah, let's see if we clear these wicks. I'm not trusting these little pops right now. I'm not trusting it.
I think you're in the right state of mind not to trust it, because You gotta have like Delta Force level of scalping and use perfect bandwidth to like make it out of some of these.
We are above the VWAP. We are above the middle of the 15-minute range, but we got these previous candle wicks that we sold in this area. So not touching until we get above it.
Well, get above it with momentum so it doesn't just shirk back down.
Yep. If we clear 639.75, I feel like we'll want to try testing the high of this range at 652.50. We're currently literally sitting right here at the close from yesterday, 630. What's the close from yesterday? All right, we just cleared the wick, 639.75. That was a horrible fill. What type of slippage was that? That's crazy. That I closed at like 500 and it still went another 5. That's craziness. Straight craziness.
Man, that wick just came out at once. That was just like a free fall.
No, I don't like that slippage. I do not like that slippage.
It's like that candle went to the range and just shot the target, and you could just see and then just shirked away. It's like, what?
We're getting ready to break out of the 15-minute range here. All right, we just broke out right there once again. That sounds like my landscaper. Let me double check.
Oh, man.
No, not my landscaper. What's up, Ismail?
Okay, out again.
Another day in paradise, bro. Another day in paradise. So we're at the 15-minute range right now. I need some momentum, though. I need momentum.
Well, look at, I mean, it's like on the 1 minute, that camera's, or the candle's like topping out right at the line. There's like a lot of resistance there. Build a flag and take it to the bank. That's what Duane wants. Duane wants a flag. Hey, all of us want to see a flag. Man, I'm tired. That was a big job I did, but that's cool.
What in the world was that? 10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Be careful right now. Let's let this settle. We got some selling pressure. Let's get us a flag. We need a flag right now. Must we buy now? Not necessarily. You don't want to buy into those big selling wicks. Like, that's just bad for business.
You should take a screenshot of this for your training. That's how like gnarly it is.
So we do have a buying pressure on this wick right here. We're coming up to our first target. First target is sitting there at 697. 697. I just didn't have a spot to jump in because we did not build a flag. All right, there we go. Just push through that first target. Come up to the 700 level. So 775 is the new high. Maybe we could get a flag above this first target. That made me feel a little bit better.
It's something to push through that whole number thing.
We're still dancing around the 700. I would want to see a little bit more momentum. We got the yesterday high and overnight high up here as well. 731.75. Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Bessie. Come on.
We're just staying around the 700 level right now, so I want to get away from it in either direction. I don't care if we go up or down. Just want to get away from that whole number.
Let's take a rocket ship to outer space. Come on, let's go.
Huh? Maximum? I'm confused. Is that? Oh, okay. I'm like, what is that?
1,500 on that trade right there.
Go ahead, G. Go ahead.
There he is. Gee.
I would have been up too, but I clicked the wrong account.
And that was on my funded.
Awesome, bro. Congrats. Coming back down close to the 700 level.
Gonna build us a flag. Like
Yeah, let's see if we get a flag. I'll be all for it. All for it. Let's see if this our first target access support to hold the market up here. Let's see if we get this flag on the 2-minute. All right, we just went through that first target. We got tons of buying pressure right here. Give us the momentum. So are we going to enter? Yeah, when the trade's ready, enter, bro. we ain't just clicking buttons to click buttons.
Yeah, don't do that.
Come on, Betsy. Can I tell you when to enter? No. If you see me enter, then you enter. That's cool. I'm not telling you how. I'm not doing it for you, bro.
Well, the thing is, there's latency with that. If you say go, and then somebody clicks 2 seconds late, you get it through, you're not entering at the same point. You're not a robot. You can't just download your code into us.
I wish it was that simple. I wish it was that simple. Ah, what is going on? So I knew something happened.
What?
No, like I don't have my timers. It's saying it was disconnected. Let me reconnect here real quick because I need those bar timers. Come on, Betsy. Don't do the move while I'm doing this. What's up, life? All right, we're back. We got less than 10 seconds on this 5-minute candle and the 2-minute on and the 1 minute. So there we go. There's a new candle. Come on, Betsy. What's up, Ule? Good morning. Well, good evening for you. Oh, thank you, Ule. I appreciate you, bro. We are not going through my yellow line with momentum here. Right now, just going sideways.
Or like you say, we're consolidating, and what happens after consolidation, there'll be a move.
That is true. That is true. Don't drink too much, Ule. Please don't be trading and drinking.
Well, it depends on what he's drinking. What do they drinking?
No, don't worry. Straight consolidating right now, people. Straight consolidating. Just waiting for something to happen. This is tight right now. Extremely tight right now. The Renko is looking slightly heavy, but we need some type of follow through, something. We're just hanging out right around the 700 level right now. So when this thing moves, it's going to move quick.
What's your gut? I know this is not financial advice, but do you feel like it's gonna, if it's gonna go bearish, or the bull's gonna finally finish this thing off?
I can't even tell you, but right now, look at that pullback. So we just lost that 700 level. So I'm not complaining about that.
Yeah.
Ule, that's crazy, bro. Sorry to hear that. I want this candle to be green.
Looks like it's starting to sell off.
Yeah. But I would still be careful waiting. We got 20 seconds for the next 5-minute candle. Just in case this is a bull flag on the 5-minute.
Whatever it is, we're making money. This next trade is going to be a good play.
Come on, Betsy. We need to make some money. I need to make some money today, boys. Good job, Ule. Make that money, bro.
Trying jumped in right there, man. I knew it was gonna shoot up like that. Look at it. Look at it.
No, 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 no. Quick, quick. Ah, come on. I don't know. You gotta wait for the momentum, bro. Don't just be guessing.
That 700 rate, that 700 area. We want to stay away from that.
Yeah, I'm not trying to touch it right here in the 700s.
Yeah, this is just like a chopping block.
And it's just having the patience to wait through this sideways action right now.
Well, you just said that is like it in a nutshell. Having that patience, that's what makes the difference.
Well, it's hard. It's hard when we see the charts going up and down. It like we're traders. We want to be in the markets. It's hard to watch it move without us being in the move.
Yes.
All right, so they just flipped that candle right there, and we just cleared some previous wicks as well.
Are we getting and the 1 minute EMA, 21 EMA is like right at the root of that last wick, so.
Come on, Betsy, give us some clean action. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Still sitting right here at the 700. We need some momentum here. I honestly, we just need, right now we're consolidating. I just want to get away from the 700 area in either direction. I don't care what direction it goes.
Yeah, it's like 20 minutes in one zone is enough.
We got a minute 15 left on the 5-minute candle. I potentially want this to close greens and the next one red. Hopefully the bulls could push it up slightly. Make that candle green.
They heard you.
Well, they got to hold it for less than a minute now. They got to hold it green for less than a minute. Because then I want that next candle to be a red one to take us down.
I see what you're doing. You're talking about a flag using colors. That's very
Exactly.
Nice. The way I see what you just did there. Oh my
goodness. You know what I'm saying? Come on, bulls. Push the price up. I need the price to, I need this candle green. Come on, bulls. Y'all can do it. 15 seconds. 15 seconds.
15 scene. Come on.
It's so up. They did not get it.
Now they're just like, look, we could do it, but we couldn't do it. Maybe the lower time frame will be the salvation.
We got buying pressure right here, so.
I know. I'm just trying to make conversation. I feel like we could after the New Year, I didn't plan it like this, but I haven't drank coffee because I stopped for a couple days, and then it was like I got a headache. But now it's like I feel I need coffee because I'm just watching this thing. And it's like, come on.
All right, so this is gonna be our flag, a big bull flag right there. Just made a new high right there as well. Let's see if we get some follow through. If we get follow through, I'm jumping in for a long here. Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Bessie.
Come on, girl.
Give Duane his 300.
Come on.
Let's fucking go. 1100 on that trade, baby.
Go ahead, G.
Right, G. Oh.
I closed 1575 on that one. 1575 on that trade. We'll take that.
I'm done for the day.
And I held it because we're at that pivot point that we came up to. So I was holding through the pivot, closed it as soon as we really tapped it. So 1575 on that one. We'll take that. We'll definitely take that.
Yeah, I think I'm done today. 2, 3 trades. I'm done.
Oh. Let's go.
Mr. Trouble, what's up? Welcome.
Mr. Trouble, that's fun.
I wanted to stay in doing it. I was like, I ain't gonna be too greedy. I just took that 11, man.
Take what the market gives, right? Take what the market gives.
Yo, I gotta bounce, guys. I gotta go to a meeting. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday, bro. Have a good day. Let's see. That one's good. Which account should I trade now? Decisions. Well, let's trade this funded. And so I'm slightly annoyed. I am slightly annoyed today, not going front. Because on the account that I was trying to get the 2K payout on today, I can't take it because of the slippage today. I may try it, go back to it. Well, no, I'm not going to go back to it. I'm not going to risk any more capital in that one because I lost a G and I closed at like 500 in the red and it slipped another 500, which is craziness.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
That wick was insane.
So I'm just going to come back on Monday, put the money back in.
Did Trader Buy ever make that one account right?
No, they said it was a glitch on there and that I actually blew that funded back in December. I'm like, how did I blow it if I never lost $2,000 in it? Yeah, I was never up over $2,000 in it. So you can't. It is what it is. I deleted that account. I just activated one of my other fundeds that I had sitting there waiting.
Well, just when money's on the line, it's good to see how people react. All right.
All right, looks like we're getting another bull flag here on the 1 minute. Right there. Oh. Black Duck, how are you?
Black duck. I like it.
All right, there's that bull flag trying to pay again. I want to see us retest this pivot point. Let's use it as support to take us higher. Our third target is at 787. 787.50. Yep. Let's use this pivot as a support for the flag here.
Starting to go down though.
We need to go down to build a bull flag.
Yeah. Big G, like taking all the money. I mean, like.
Keep going down, baby. Let's build that. Let's build another bull flag.
Yep. I'll be targeting that 687 787 level. 787.75 would be the level I'll be targeting. If we could keep this pivot point to support us here. I'm okay if we stop down here at the second target where we're stopping right now, because our second target was sitting at 742. And any further down, I probably won't be too excited.
Uh-oh. Like it's about to go down, 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 down. Uh-oh. 35. 38. 37. 39.
So this is where I would want the flag to stop, personally, if it's going to be a bull flag. Because what do we know? The flags always repeat themselves. So we just had a clean bull flag on the 5 minute, right? So all we had to do is look for another bull flag, because flags always repeat themselves. And it's the easiest way to know what direction the market's truly trying to go in when the flags are repeating themselves. All right, so we're currently using this second target as support right now. So I'm okay with that.
I see your double doodle, man. You're really locked in on this.
Oh, I'm locked in, see. I'm so freaking locked in, boys. I'm trying to make some more monies.
That's an old school double doodle.
The double doodle. The double doodle. We double doodling.
I just pulled a Duane and opened a menu that showed the color of the line. So we're in the same zone.
I want to get above this pivot point, though. I do want to get above the pivot here. 751.92. 751.92. I want to get above that line. For me to want to take a long. But we have to have momentum. No momentum, no trade. Right now, we're slightly consolidating.
We got all of the candles are gonna clear, so we're even getting a new 5.
Well, let's see what we get here. The Bulls want to push. I'm feeling like they want a rocket ship here. All right, there's that pivot. We're above the pivot now. I'm holding. I want to see it stay above this pivot. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl.
Come on, all the way, all the way.
I forgot to jump in. Shit.
I'm
Jump in now. I'm jumping in now.
He said he was like done for the day, but he seemed to have forgotten that.
Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, keep going up, baby.
Come on, Bessie.
Talk to the market, boys. Talk to the market for me.
Come on, baby.
Help me. Help me. I need help. Talk to the market makers.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Where you going now? Come on up. Stay away from that pimp. No.
Nothing, no.
You know you want to go up? Shoot up. Shoot it up. Yep, yep. Yep, yep. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, let's go to 60. Boom. Go to 60. Uh-oh.
It wants a rocket ship.
Uh-oh. Okay, okay, okay. Come on. Oh.
You use that pivot as support and it's going to shoot to the moon.
Well, if it doesn't, I'm going to close it quick.
Oh, it's
Well, you
Let's go
got
shoot
10 seconds on a 1 minute candle, so that'll be your first hint.
come on. Shoot it up, baby.
It's looking heavy.
Gonna make it heavy.
Are they going to push now?
Oh, you saw that bush? Man.
I need more than that. I want more than that here.
Wayne demands more.
Come on, Betsy. Uh-huh. I saw that wick. You know what you want to do.
I'm not looking at the chat right now, people. I'm in a trade. Your boy's in a trade right now.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
Is this going to give me another $1,000 trade? Let's see what we get.
Let's go to 773.
I closed at 580 right there. And then it keeps going. That's okay. I'm going to get ready to rotate. Glory, what's up, Glory? Kenneth? Ouch? Why ouch? No ouches here, bro. We're literally just printing money like always.
All right, that's 1,000.
Go ahead, G. Go ahead, boy.
Damn, every time I turn around.
Oh. I'm done for the day.
I'm done for the day.
I'm done for the day.
Where's this account? Where's
So, man,
this
that's it.
account?
That's it. Legacy Wealth Society. Let's go.
All right, rotate over to my this would be my third account that I would have traded. No, 1, 2, 3. This would be my fourth account traded today.
Where's my anthem when you need it?
I gotta find that, bro. I honestly gotta find that playlist because I haven't done that playlist since like August. So I've gone through so many playlists since then. I'll work on finding it this weekend, so that way next week.
I'll search for it now. How do you go look for those instrumentals on YouTube?
Well, actually, I know how I'll be able to do it. I'll go back to the stream from like July. Yeah, I should be able to listen to it, so I know exactly.
Oh, really? Could you go back on YouTube, right?
Yeah, and then I'll put it like, what song is this type deal.
Okay. I'm on your channel already. Anyway, look at. Channel.
Duane would desire a flag.
I would like a flag.
Look, I'm saying, how can you save your voice by telling you how it is?
Steve, I appreciate you, man. I really appreciate you for always helping me out.
Oh, this was like 2 years ago.
Where's our next target?
It's right above us right now. It's just looking at that. Third target 787.25. 787.25 for the third target for today's session. For all the people on YouTube, welcome. Welcome to the New York trading session with Legacy Wealth Society and myself, where we print money each and every day, Monday through Friday. And we also stream every single night, normally at 9:30 p.m. Eastern time, for the Traders Hangout, where we talk about trading, we talk about life, and everything in between. Appreciate you guys tuning in and hanging out with us right now. Hopefully you guys are staying safe in the markets. And to be honest, tonight's Traders Hangout will be starting a little bit later. I'm taking my girl out on a hot date tonight, so the Hangout will be starting around like 10:30, since we have to go to this artsy place for like 6:30 a day. So we're gonna have our little date, enjoy each other, and then I'm gonna come hang out with y'all afterwards. Normally it's at 9:30, but tonight it'll be at 10:30, and we'll stay on probably till like midnight or a little bit after. Give us a flag, Betsy. I need a flag.
Well, look at the 2 minute, and then you might have something there.
No, the 2 minutes looking promising. But we need momentum too. We need momentum. So for the chat, who's up and who's down today? How have you guys been in the markets today so far? Let me know if you're green. Say green if you're green. Say red if you're red. And put a 0 if you're in between. Let your boy know. I want to check the temperature of the room. See how we're trading today.
Green.
Awesome. I know Legacy's green. Green.
We all green.
Oh, I love that, boys. I love that, people. What's up, futures? We'll take it. Looking like a bull flag once again. Like, I want to jump in, but I need more momentum. You used to be scared until I landed here. Barry, I got you, bro. I got you. I'm here to help you make money. Brett, I could definitely do that. I could definitely shoot that and put it in the vault. Futures, I appreciate you, bro. It's good to be back in the States because boy, oh boy, it was slightly cold in Canada, but the mountain views were amazing. I loved it. Up in Bath. Bath. That's how I say Bath, because when I was up there, I was saying Banff, and Brett's like, bro, it's not Banff, it's Bath. I'm like, oh, okay. Bath. So what else are you streaming on? I stream only on YouTube. I will be adding TikTok probably like by the end of this month, and maybe like X. BP, it happens, bro, but there's plenty of time for you, sir. There's still plenty of time to make some money. BP, you'll understand this pain here, right? So on my funded account, that I need $262. $262. I had slippage when I first went into the trade. Then when I tried getting out of the trade, I had more slippage where I was red $500, so I closed it. Bro, tell me how it slipped to 1,000. Bro, straight agginess. Straight agginess.
That wick was the wick of the century, man. It was shoom.
Kenneth, why NQ? I like how NQ moves. We are getting another bull flag here as well, people. I like how it moves with my strategy. I literally print money with it each and every day. There's the new high. Wish we had a little bit more momentum there. Oh, BP, it's okay. I can technically still take a 2K payout today on my 150K select account because I just added another 1,500 to it literally on stream. But I'll probably just hold off and just honestly take a big payout next week from multiple accounts. So just play it safe. Just next Friday, I'll take a payout across all the board. Yeah, bro, because imagine how many people come and see what we're doing and get the shirts. Oh, it's not complicated. That's why, Brett, if they join the community, right, and they're on the builders plan, I go over my full strategy. So they would know exactly what to look for off the strategy video in the community. Oh, yeah, by the way, folks, it's free to join the Legacy Wealth Society. It is free to join the Legacy Wealth Society, the best trading community globally. We got people from every corner of the world all coming together to win as a collective. We're all winning. We're all helping each other win in the markets. And if you want to join, Nightbot's posting the link. Feel free to join. It would be a pleasure to have you part of the family. Because since we got some new people in here as well, something that what you guys don't know, for all the new people, I'm traveling to a new country or state every single month to visit a Legacy Wealth Society member or a YouTube subscriber. So this month, I was just in Canada visiting Brett, who's in the chat. It was an awesome time. We talked trading, we talked life, and it was an amazing time. That vlog should be dropping hopefully by the end of this month for you guys to check out what we did. We went up to the mountains. I was huffing and puffing because of the elevation since I'm here in Florida. It was a fun time. It was a fun time. When do you do live calls? The live calls are only for the paid side. So if you're on the builders plan, it'll be one live call a month that we do. The next one should be coming up on like the 1st of February for the builders plan. Then for the market makers, they're live with me each and every day with y'all as well, so they can ask me questions, get answers live with you guys. And I have it open where you guys can hear, because a question they may ask may help you. You never know. And then the profit takers plan, that is where we really hone in and help people lock in on getting more profits after the builders plan. So feel free, you could join for free. You don't get those higher packages by joining for free, but you do get our motivational page and the community discussion So that's all I got for you folks. Hopefully you guys are staying safe in the markets. I'm waiting for the next move here. We're consolidating.
Duane,
Yes, sir.
I think I found it.
You yeah. Shoot it to me. Shoot it to me.
I think it's the Skyline Comfort Scene.
Okay.
Skyline Comfort Scene. So I guess if you gotta find it on YouTube.
Hold on. I'll jump over here right now because I'll be able to tell once I see like the thumbnail.
Okay. This was Skyline Comfort Scene.
Man, we're going sideways, Dwayne. What we gonna do about making this go up or down?
Skyline Comfort, what was it?
Scene.
Okay. I pull. No, I don't think that's it. I'm a G. You'll have it on Monday, sir. You will have it on Monday. You will have it on Monday, sir.
Is it? I see a cat. It's like a cat with some shades on. And it says
Like
Smooth City. Feel
it's
good
one of those.
music.
It's one of those 70s movies. Hey, you see that cat over there? The one with the shades on?
Yeah. So we should be having a call around the 1st of February, the next call for the builder's plan. You guys get one call a month. What was that?
Hold on.
Hey, it punched through, but it.
I know this was one of them.
I'll find it, G. I'll find it. We'll have it. We'll have it on Monday. I'll have your playlist on Monday, sir. And we'll rock out to that playlist on the Monday stream, since it's a fan favorite. All right, we just hit our 3rd target here. Finally. Let's see where our 4th target is. 4th target to the upside here, 832.50, 832.50. Gav, also with that plan for the builder's plan, you also get the full vault, all the vault. So you'll be able to see my full strategy. I break it down and I tell you exactly what I'm looking for so you can duplicate what I'm doing as well.
I tried to fill and it gave me the blue line.
Yeah, like the slippage has been pretty wild today, not gonna lie.
It was like bad slippage.
All right, 105 on that trade. I tried getting more, but I only got 105. Like, but green's green, green is green. Let me rotate to the next one. I'm executing my trades on not Tradeify, Ninja Trader. Oh, go ahead, Brett. I'm excited for you, bro. I'm excited for you. Kenneth, we do this every single day, bro. 832.50. 832.50 is my next target. We did cross through that 800 level, so I want to just make sure we don't pull back to it real quick. And I want to see another flag. I want to see another flag. BP, from your lips to God's ears, we keep running. I kind of want to come down and tap this 800 level first before we keep going up. just to show like, okay, we are going to keep pushing. All right, there's that 800. We almost got it. This is what I wanted to see. I want to see a slight little pullback. Nothing crazy. I don't want a crazy big pullback, but just a little bit so we can build out another flag, because they always repeat themselves. BP, you see it be your own people. BP is saying he had the perfect setup from the bottom of yesterday's market all the way to the top of today, and he didn't tell us about it. You know, BP, when I pull up on you next month, bro, we're going to really have a face-to-face conversation, okay? Next month, I'm going to Mexico for my Global Traders Tour. Next month, we're going to Mexico and San Antonio. The month after that, we are going to Colombia. Listen, people, what trader do you know on these live streams that's traveling the globe, taking y'all with them, streaming while traveling, showing you the lifestyle in real time? Nah, people, I'm not one of those people, oh, buy my course, join our community because you'll pay $10,000 and maybe you'll win money. No, absolutely not. I'm here trying to make sure you guys are winning. Yeah, I'm showing you the proof as well, so you guys understand you can do it as well. Because, hey, anyone can trade. Everyone should trade. Because this is by far the best thing any of us could ever do. We just print another bull flag on the 2-minute with follow through. Let's see. I'm ready to execute. Let's see. I'm waiting. I want to see the momentum here. We're on my yellow line. We're on my yellow line right now. So I want to see the Bulls push. Oh, I forgot. This account, I forgot they scale you. They scale you. On the select accounts, they scale you. So I was trying to trade my normal size. So I had to drop it down one contract. Oh man, everyone's gonna have tons of evals then, Brett. Like, but he's not late. There's no set time to get on the New York session. Trading's personal. If he likes getting on late, it is what it is. Come on, let's see what we get here. It's stalling. I don't like how it's stalling right there.
Take it up. Come on.
Come on, Betsy. Come on.
Come on, Bessie.
Now it keeps stalling. I don't like how we're stalling right there. I may just close this. Let's see if we get one more push up. Get me in the green here. And I'll just close it. Don't care how little green it is. I just want to see green.
I found it. I found it.
We'll take it. We'll take it. Send it to me, bro.
Hey, Duane, it's called Sundown Traffic Calm.
Okay.
It's smooth city, feel good music for a summer.
That sounds like it. It probably is it.
Oh yeah, I know the Sundown Traffic Calm.
You gotta post that in a group in a discussion for all of us.
Dwayne, you look. Well, Dwayne, I'll wait till you're done on that trade, Dwayne. Oh my goodness. It has all the playlists that you played. The songs that you played. So,
All right. I'm out, G. I'm out.
alright, just put Tune Post Smooth City.
Say that again?
Tune Post Sundown Traffic Calm.
Let me switch my account. Okay, smooth down.
No, Sundown Traffic Calm. I just got to hear Dwayne play it one time.
Does it have a dog, like a pug with like glasses?
Yep.
Oh, no. The big playlist. It's the Smooth City one.
Yeah, the Smooth City feel good music for what you call it.
Yep.
And it starts at 7:25.
All right, people. I was going to wait till Monday, but you ain't letting this one rest.
Oh, yeah.
This was one my not first, but one of the playlists from earlier last year. And this was G's favorite song, people.
Oh, yeah.
Now that I know the name, I'm going to be playing it all the time.
That's awesome. Well, for all the people on YouTube, welcome everybody. Hopefully you're staying safe in the markets today. We're getting some decent movement today. Today is a green day for myself. Even with taking $1,000 loss on one of my accounts, today's still a green day. So no complaints there. $1,000 a day does keep the bills away, because as it sits right now, I'm probably right at around $1,000 in the green. And we'll take it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so I traded all my 5 accounts with Tradeify today. And actually, I will switch over. Do I switch over to my Lucid? Yeah, I'll switch over to the Lucid.
Do you think we're still going to be going up, or you think we're kind of we're at this done so?
11 o'clock's getting ready to hit, so honestly, I just want to wait until we get through 11 just to see if the market gives us any more moves or anything like that.
How did you even find that, G? That's amazing.
Man, look, I went on one of Dwayne on one of his streams like six months ago. I decided to hear one song that I remembered, and boom.
All right, so we hit our 4th target. We did hit our 4th target here. BP, I hope it keeps running too, fam. I hope it keeps running too. What's up, people? Tonight we got the Traders Hangout 10:30 p.m. Eastern time. I'm taking my girl on a date. Normally we start at 9:30, but I gotta take my girl out on a hot date tonight. So, Traders Hangout starting at 10:30 p.m. tonight Eastern time. Make sure you tune in. We may be spinning the wheel tonight. Who knows what's going to happen, boys? I low-key want to jump in on this long here. As long as we stay above this 4th target, let's pull back down to it. Let's tap it. Let me see if it's going to act as support for us. If it acts as support, I may jump in here.
Was that the 30.25 or what was that target?
That target was sitting here at 832.50. 832.50.
Oh, 832.50. All right, thank you.
Come on, Betsy. Bulls want to keep pushing here. They do want to push. If we get below the 4 target, I'll close this trade. Right now, we're still above the 4 target. So I'm using the 4 target as like the point where I don't want to get below.
Candles closing.
We're slightly consolidating right here. But Bulls definitely want to push. Just waiting for them to break out of this area. Come on, Betsy.
Get to the moon. Come on.
Come on, girl.
Go on, girl.
Come on, girl.
Come on, Betsy. Come on, Betsy. Come on.
Bulls just caught that on the wrinkle bars right there as well.
Where do you think it's running to, Duane?
I can't really look at my other chart right now since I'm focused on this trade. I closed out. We may build a bull flag right here. We got a pivot point above us. Pivot point sitting up there at 873.75 area, 873.75. Let's see if we get a little bull flag. 5 targets above the pivot point. So 806 is the protection. We're trading. We are trading the Nasdaq. We do this every single Monday through Friday. We trade the Nasdaq. All right, so we just lost that support zone. Let's see if they catch it. If not, we'll have to be careful.
All right, fellas, I'm gonna bounce.
Yeah, I'll be getting off here probably in another like 10, 15 minutes. We're going to see what the market, if the market gives us anything else today. But solid day in the markets. Even with the 1K loss on one of my accounts today, I still have in that account after that 1K loss. I only have now in that account like over $3,500. So, still plenty of wiggle room.
I might go shoot some hoops today.
Go ahead.
There you go.
Go ahead, LeBron.
All green in all accounts today. 36-40 for the day.
Oh, that's awesome, bro. Congrats.
All right, I'll see you guys though. Monday.
All right, man. See you on Monday.
All right.
Man, we haven't played these songs in a minute. I feel like the wrinkles are looking heavy. Come on. Come on. I saw you looking heavy, girl.
Hit on the 21 EMA on the 1 minute.
Quick scout right there. Quick scout. I should have stayed. I feel like we're going to keep on coming down a little bit. It looks like we're going to build out a bear flag. I would have been smacked in the face if I traded this morning. Well, positive. You didn't trade, so you didn't get smacked. That's one way to look at it.
I wasn't expecting you to say that. It was like, what?
Let's see if we build out a little bear flag. Maybe go back down, test the pivot point that's further down below us.
Well, like, you know, I'm doodling. Are you doodling? Oh, he already has it. Doodle.
I already doodled, Steve. You're late to the party, bro.
Look, I'm never late to the party. I am the party. You know that.
I am the party.
Oh my gosh.
So today I made $1,400, 80% win rate, 4 winners, 1 loser. Looking at my journal here on my Tradify, that does not include anything I make in my Lucid account. So right now, technically, I'm up like just on over $1,800 for the day. And I took a 1K loss in one of my accounts today. So keep that in mind. Oh, I dropped my win rate down. That's horrible. That's trash. It put me down at 81.94%. I'm a solid 82% trader. But I'm now 81.94 trader. Like, oh man. It just doesn't have the right ring to it. Yeah, I'm an 81.94% win rate trader. Well, technically, with this trade on Lucid, it would have made it better, but they're not connected, the journals, so. Let's see if we start coming on down here. I got a slight feeling. Keyword slight. I said slight feeling. After this, I gotta go with my managers. We gotta make sure some of our patrol cars are all nice and clean because they're starting on a new contract tonight. Excited for that. The joys, the joys.
Hey, Duane, look at the 30-minute can.
The 30.
Yeah,
Let's take a gander. Okay, yeah, that's very tight right now. We do have that buying wick on it though. Pretty much same as the 15.
You like the higher time frames, though. You know that.
I do like higher time frames. There's no consistency rule on take profit trader. Brett, no consistency rule. He has a mix. He has a mixed dog since he's mixed. Like he said last night on the stream. So I'm assuming he has a mixed dog as well. I did not get the fill I wanted, but okay. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. Yeah, come on down. Yep. Oh, yeah, all knowing Duane. You're welcome. We got a massive bear flag on the 2-minute here. So right now, I would be waiting for us to get below. Let me bring this line over here. That's the line I want to see us break through. We do have buyers trying to step in right now, but I'm not fully sold on it. I'm not fully sold on it yet. For me, it'd be bullish. I would want them to flip this candle to green and get above the 4th target. I just feel like we got too much selling pressure up here. See, I told you it's a mix. I told you he has a mixed dog. I knew it. I knew it. So officially a 2K day in my funded accounts. Not bad. We had 10K day this week. We had a 2K day yesterday. Another 2K day today. And we're just base hitting all the way to the payouts. Probably got another like 6 more minutes on stream, boys. 6 more minutes for me to be on stream so I could get off, relax for like 20 minutes and then get out of here. I gotta go meet with my manager, so gotta handle all that stuff today. So nice, looks cute.
We got time for one more play, Duane.
Right now I'll be waiting to see if we get this bear flag to play out, to be honest with you. I want to see momentum through the yellow line there on the chart.
I see you looking at the chart.
I am like, hey, if a play happens, I'm here for it. But if it doesn't happen, I'm not mad. I locked in another 2K a day. So, and it would have been technically 3K if I didn't have the $1,000 loss on one of my accounts. So let's keep that in mind. Reminder, traders hang out tonight starting at 10:30 p.m. 10:30 p.m., not 9:30 p.m. 10:30 p.m. tonight. We most likely will be spinning a wheel. So if you're on that stream, you may be able to win something. We're right at my yellow line. I want to see us lose that line with momentum. I got a finger on the trigger. All right, we're ready. I got my FOMO clicks out, so I won't FOMO into a trade right there, boys.
It's thinking about it. It's telling you. It's like, I'm going to go up a little. I'm going to go down.
We're just waiting. It wants to go. It wants a waterfall here, boys. It wants to.
Waterfall of a night lifetime.
All right, we're breaking through my yellow line. I need more momentum, though. Yeah, we don't have that momentum yet, so we can't take it. So I'm honestly going to hands off the trigger. I'm turning my mouse off.
No, you're not.
I just turned it off. I turned it off.
Yeah, you have another mouse. I know.
I broke my old mouse. I broke it. I dropped it, moving all the stuff in from the Traders Hangout. So I'm going to buy me another one just like this for the Traders Hangout. So that way, if I drop it, I still have a backup. Since I did drop my other one off the seat. So now the button sticks.
Oh, that's your favorite. I made a trade. I made another trade.
Well, this is a sharpshooter right here. Yeah, I just like that sound. Like, that's like, so soothing. And then click of a button, I can make the sound go away. That's crazy. Any questions? Any questions from the chat before I get off here? Any questions, folks? I'm here to answer your questions.
When are you planning the day one extravaganza for the OG mothers?
The day one extravaganza. We'll probably have to do something early February. Early Feb. We'll link up and we'll all grab dinner or something. I think that would be fun. For all the people in Central Florida. What was that?
We just want to be happy.
No, 100%. How long have you been using your strategy for? I've been using it now for a year and a month. Because in 2024 in August, I started putting my strategy together. So it took me from 2024 August through December 2024. And then I traded my full strategy that I built through that time the entire year of 2025 and now. So 13 months, and it prints money for me each and every day. When the markets are moving good, how I like, I'll be averaging between 2 to 3K a day. If the markets are chopping, best believe your boy may get chopped up. Just being real. I'm honest, folks. I'm honest. I get chopped up sometimes. How long have I been trading for? The way I trade now, it would be the same time. So August 2024 till now. But August 2024, all 2024 through December from August, I was trying to learn how to trade. And that's how I built my strategy, by being in the markets every single freaking day. That's why it simply works. I was in the markets every day trying to perfect it and learn it. And that's how I built my strategy.
Hey, Duane, you need to also point out that if you get chopped up sometimes, you still end up making money. So it's not like you're like...
No, that is true. Like, on days when I may get chopped up, I still do make money. But at this point in my trading career, I'm not trying to trade chop anymore. Not trying to trade it.
Except when you FOMO into a chop trade. Oh,
Yep, and it happens. I do FOMO sometimes. I'm a human. I'm not a robot.
Wait,
I like being in the markets making money. Like today, 2K day. Yesterday, 2K day. The day before that, 10K day. You know what I'm saying? Like, at the end of the day, we all like being in the markets because this is how we make money. If anyone wants to join the Legacy Wealth Society, Nightbot's posting the link in the chat. It is free to join, folks. If you're not in the best trading community globally, what are you even doing? Like, let's be real here. You got individuals that have been trading for 7 years, 13 years, 20 years in the community, and we all come together and make sure everyone is winning. So, food for thought. You may want to join. Well, boys, I think I'm gonna be jumping off here, Legacy and YouTube. I think it's that time for me to get off these charts. So I will catch y'all later. If you guys join the not Legacy, if you guys join the Traders Hangout tonight, happy to talk to y'all again. Brett, see you tonight, bro. Dan, our futures. I would say yes, but I trade futures, so of course I'm gonna say yes. But with a simple strategy with futures, you will print money each and every day. All right, Legacy, be blessed. I will talk to you guys tonight.
Here comes the waterfall.
Enjoy the waterfall if it waterfalls. I won't be here for it.
Oh, you're throwing shade, man.
No shade, no shade. All right, guys, have a blessed one.
All right, later.
See YouTube. I'll see you guys tonight. Traders Hangout 10:30 p.m. Eastern. Stay safe in the markets. Don't overtrade. Don't revenge trade. Solid 2K day once again. We'll be talking about it tonight. Be blessed, everyone. Stay safe.